Yeah. Yeah. Soon as I walk through the door,
Say what?
designer is at the top.
Here we go.
Young nigga all by this dope.
Yeah.
My nigga come get your
One time.
pay cash, I don't have a note. Hell yeah, I want me a rose. Wait, spent 20 tracks on my rose chain. These niggas hating
So lame.
I'm ballin' these road gang. How about the drug smoking propane? Yeah.
I do my damn thing.
Boy, you ain't nothing but a
Damn shame.
smashing your bitch and your main gang. Come get your heart, my
Here we
dime.
go.
Yeah.
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 Let's go.
Just so much sauce I done left to stun. You get the picture with pull out the pistol, I bet that I bang. Play hypertate with it.
Motherfucking brain.
I shoot the kid, so you know I got aim. He just a shih tzu and I'm a
This
big
up,
dime.
what's up?
You know I get to the crib with
Here
my
we go.
gang. His
1,
paper
2,
round with his dog
3,
routine.
say
Soon as I walk through the door,
Say what?
designer is at the top.
Here we go.
Young nigga all by this dope.
Yeah.
My nigga come get your hoe.
Yeah.
Pay cash, I don't have a note.
Yeah.
No. Hell yeah, I want me a rose. Right. Spent 20 racks on my rose
Say
chain.
what?
These niggas hating is so lame. Yeah.
Broccoli First, make some noise right now for King Glock. What's up?
What's up? What's up? Drop that shit.
Let's go. Hands up right now, one time.
Turn that shit up.
Hands up. Yeah.
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 Let's go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bitch, I just made up. Yeah.
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 Bitch, I just made up.
What
Yeah.
we doing? What we doing? Hands up. Let's go.
I got a real addiction for this cash.
What we say?
I got a real ambition for this cash.
What?
13 years old with a I'm always up to something.
Never sitting on my
This
hands
bitch, I
up.
got my skin inside. Yeah, yeah. I told that Glizzock with a passion. Yeah. I told that Glizzock with a passion. And I talk a whole lot of shit.
Cause I can bag what we say. Yeah.
Yeah, it's up there.
Yeah.
Bitch, my heart cold. My legs make mine clear. My pockets fast swole. Hey,
Say
nah.
what?
Why?
They niggas just square.
Yeah.
Color purple syrup, ballin' hard just like the beard. Yeah, and every bird I'm shooting shit, I know you heard.
TikTok's never in no word, nigga.
Here we go.
Money talking, what's the word? Yeah,
Whoa,
yeah,
whoa,
hey.
whoa.
I pray but don't go to church. Don't ask me to. Can't trust no hoe, that's devil word.
Yeah, I know the
Devil work.
Can't not know that nobody's perfect. Still can't trust the
Here
people.
we go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
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 For real,
Let's
let's
go.
go.
yeah, bitch, I'm in my bag, bag.
Bitch, I just made a bag, yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
Bitch, I just made a bag,
What?
a bag,
What
a
we doing?
bag,
What we
a bag.
doing, big?
Nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash.
Yeah,
we say?
I got a real ambition for this cash.
What?
13 years old with a shoebox stand. I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass. Let's do it. Hey, play me some new shit right fast.
Glitz out. You know how we do it one time? Glitz up in the building. Let's go.
Play me some new shit.
Whoa. 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 Let's go.
Yeah,
Money on my mind.
nigga, what the fuck you thought?
What?
Hopping out that Maybach truck, my pockets on Reebok. I get it if I want it, nigga, don't care about the cost. I'm married to the money, I had to put these hoes on pause. Big money, nigga, this how big money talk. Big money, nigga, this how
Big money walk.
Yeah.
big knots, nigga, you know what I got, yeah. I'ma get guap, nigga, till my heart stop. And they put me in a box, I'm a nigga with a lot. Cause you niggas with the cops, I just sit back watching plot. 6 figures on the watch, shit, I
Could've brought a car. Bitch,
oh, my chain cost a truck, yeah, yeah, let's go.
you always up to something.
Bitch, I'm having money, yup, 20, 50, hundreds, I be thumbing.
That's it.
Hey, play the money song right fast.
Let's go. Hands up, 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 let's go.
Yeah,
Let's go.
yeah, hey, I'm running to the what?
You know how I'm coming.
Yeah.
Running to the sun and I
Thumbing.
got these babies with the onion and she got her own money. She say money keep her coming, but I keep them coming. In, yeah, another check again. I be killing shit, Lord forgive me for my sins. And my wrist cost a Rari and my earrings cost a Benz. My bitch is a Barbie, my name kid, not a kid. I fired up my blunt, then like Hooper broke the wind. Double up my cup, I said,
Lean, not gin.
I be high as fuck, it feel like
Hits spend. But no, I ain't spending
No time with these bitches. Hey, hell no, give me head, keep your jaw. Big dog, I don't know about y'all. Bling, blow, jewelry, can't have a fall. Yeah. Hey, rap this shit. 1 to the 2 to the 3 to the big Glock is all about it.
motherfucking.
Ready to make an interest with my back in, bruh. Because you know I'm about to turn shit up. I told her throw that ass back so I can bust it like a bubble. South Memphis nigga in this bitch, yeah, you know you in trouble. Ain't nothing but a P thing.
Baby,
Young iced out nigga going crazy. Paper route is the label that pays me. Unplayable, so please don't try to play me. Know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Bitch, I'm the man before you talk, raise up your hand.
Yeah, I been running it up, you niggas just been running ends. How you screaming, crippin' blood and ain't been to the land? Hold up, dog pound, use some mud, you need to scram. You know how I get down, money talks, you hear me loud. I know you hear me loud, I be counting like 1 to the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Big Glock is all about his motherfucking. That's good.
Party friends, make some noise for King Glock right now. I need y'all to turn the fuck up. Hey, Glizz up, it's time to turn up, man. Can we start the show right now?
Come on, man.
We're gonna start it now, let's go. Glizz up in the building, let's go. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up.
Yeah. Let's go get some money, fucking plan. I told her take this plan B and stop playing.
What we do?
I'm tired of buying jewelry, finna buy some land.
They still trying to figure out who I am,
What we say?
who I be. Pillow talking to these hoes, that shit weak.
Hands up.
They say money talk with diamonds in my teeth. Yeah. Niggas messed up in y'all like trick or treat. You better play your cards right.
Better not ever reach.
For this chain over here, I put you underneath. Yeah, I read that 5, but I put you 6 feet deep, nigga. Yeah.
Let's go. Hands up, hands up, hands up, let's go.
Let's go, yeah. Let's go get some money, fuck this bullshit.
Say what?
Hell yeah, I make some meals on my tours, bitch. Hell yeah, I make some meals on my merch too. I got yellow diamond super saiyan.
What?
These niggas only killers on Pro Tools.
Oh, lame ass nigga ain't got no juice.
What?
Oh, lame ass nigga ain't got no motion. Yeah.
Stop flexing on these niggas like I'm Hulk.
Handle business. I'm shitting on the industry and God is my witness. Let's go.
Let's go. One more time, I say it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on with it.
One time, Glizz up in the building, what's up? Where my day ones in, where my day one friends in right now? Let's go.
South Memphis nigga ballin', I get every penny. 20 pointers in my mouth, hey, shout out to my dentist. I just did a meet and greet inside a couple titties. If a nigga play with Kia, it's gon' be a killing. Hit that little bitch from the back.
What you do?
I drilled it. I just bought a plane watch, but it cost a bit. I'm just getting money, tell them get up out they fit.
I said
Just turn the deal down.
What the fuck is 10 million?
What?
Whoa.
Huh? I'm trying to get a bit. Prada overalls don't look like a heel bitch. Prada overalls on your baby.
This shit different.
Snub nose revolver, shoot that bitch like
Got it pimpin'.
10 toes down, it ain't no switching. Nigga play, get hit with
Switches.
voices in my head, keep on saying.
Boy, let's get it.
So you know I will go get it. I got that 4-0 in my bridge, yeah.
Niggas playing, niggas
What we
scared.
doing and what we doing is
Hey,
go.
these niggas cuffing hoes, yeah.
These niggas fucked up. These
Niggas breaking codes, yeah.
I'm from Memphis, I can show you how to
Break a hoe, yeah.
I'm from Memphis, I can show you how to
Break a hoe, yeah.
Bitch, I'm that nigga. I
Bought a chain so they can hate some more. Let's
Make some
go.
noise right now. King Glock in the building. Make some mother.
Hey, what you got?
I want to play one of your favorite chants, Glizz, out right now.
Hey, Broccoli Fest, I'm gonna play one of these joints. We're gonna take it back to the yellow tape. You know what I'm talking about?
Come on with it.
Hands up right now, hands up, let's go. Hands up, 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 let's go. One, two, one, two,
Hey,
three.
I never ever put a bitch before my money.
What?
I never put a bitch before my money or my mommy. Yeah, you got the wrong youngin', baby. I am not no dummy.
What?
You know how I'm coming, bitch. I keep them commas coming.
What we say?
Where that money at? Run it up. Yeah, all these damn dead prayers make me feel honey.
Whoa.
Big ass diamonds on my neck. What? Yeah, I be looking like a chick. Hey,
What we say?
let's go. Word on the street. What?
What's up?
Word on the street. I heard he keep that heat.
Let's go.
Word on the street. Word on the street. I heard they'll knock you off your feet. Straight up.
Make some noise right now, Glock right now in the building.
We're gonna switch it up, let's out.
Hey, we finna switch this shit up right quick.
Uh-oh.
Hey, y'all know Dolph love DC, right? Come on, man, play that shit.
Uh-oh, it's about that time, let's go.
Ah, Broccoli Fest, what up now? Let's go. King Glock is in the building right now. What's up?
Yeah.
Hands up right now. What's up?
Yeah. Hey, what he say?
I don't fuck with these niggas cause
These bitches, they just wanna.
born in the 80s. Mama, she was in the street, so guess who raised me?
What we say?
You motherfucking right. Couldn't get it from my mama, so I
Got it off the block.
working my whole life, but I ain't never punched a clock.
What?
9 years old.
All I seen a nigga get shot.
What?
Damn.
Niggas quick to run they mouth
When they get jammed.
What?
Pussy ass nigga, tell it.
it on his own fam.
Same nigga that you break your neck for.
Say what?
Be the same nigga that cross you out and
What you want? What time?
Supposed to be chasing money, but you
chasing bitches.
Yeah.
real bosses don't talk. We just
Sit back and listen.
stack that paper up and then make
Boss
What we
moves.
say?
She like to argue, so I sent that bitch to.
Keep it real with your dog.
Let's out what we doing.
Same bitch that claim she love you, she'll set you up. Preach.
Out here in these streets, it ain't no such thing as love. The only thing I trust is this pistol
And
and
it's
this slug.
slug, yeah.
If that nigga don't work,
He a fucking leech. Preach.
I ain't got shit for a nigga. I ain't
Nothing in this motherfucking world free.
preach.
Zay got the motherfucking bass thumping.
What?
Hey,
Dolph got the motherfucking
trap jumping. Doors to the trap open.
Now I said you something.
Hell no, don't ask.
I ain't afraid nothing, yeah.
I fucked your bitch and told her
I
I
see you around.
dog just skip town with
200 down.
dog just pulled a 8
In a 2-liter pop. They say Dolph addicted to these streets just like his pops.
addicted to hustling, I can't stop.
What?
Won't stop, can't stop. Ain't never hear me complain about what I ain't got. Why?
Cause if I want it, I'ma go get it.
What we say? I say it.
Free my nigga, yo, did it. Got paper route tatted on your whole titty.
Hold up.
Same nigga getting high when he really
your enemy.
One time.
every day niggas cross their partners out for bit. Let's do it, little dog. Hey, give me some more of that shit right fast.
Uh-oh, let's go.
Give me some more of that shit.
If it ain't one thing, it's a motherfucking nutter.
What we do?
Trapped together, then that's my motherfucking brother.
I pay her bills and buy
Designer, but I don't love her.
She just play her part
When it's time to smuggle,
I pull up, pick up that bag
and burn rubber.
I got a sweet tooth,
But
but
I stay away from suckers.
One time, let's go.
Malibu and Malibu was my last supper.
One time, let's
I
go.
fucked her in rush hour.
Traffic, Chris Tucker.
Whoa.
Yeah. Hey, everybody
screaming, gang, gang, gang. The folks come and get you, you gon' tell on the whole gang.
Whoa.
She said, can she fuck me with my diamond chain? If I ain't in the bank, then I'm on the
Say
plane.
what? Let's go.
About to go get some money or go spend some money. They stopped me in the airport, had too many binges on me.
Yeah.
They don't want you to live.
Nah.
They don't want you to ball.
Nah.
They'll put a smile on your face.
Hey.
Yeah. Then they pray for you to fall.
Hey.
Young niggas stay focused. But I really wanna crash. Think about where you at. Then think about your past. Yeah, I really came for shit. But I won't change for shit. My bitch say I'm stuck in my ways.
Here we
Bitch
go,
say I've been getting
let's go,
paid.
like what?
Hey,
100 shots.
What we do?
100 shots.
What we do?
Me and my niggas pull up in 100 drops. My role model used to get 100 blocks. Street niggas in a tuxedo with a mob.
Whoa, whoa.
She looked at my watch too long, now she see stars. I got so high last night, I did a show on Mars. Yo, bitch ate my dick, I caught her on them bars.
What we say?
My pinky ring, extra large.
yeah.
Phones all in the garage.
Ay.
Remember my first Menard?
Ay.
Yeah, Toy and Britney.
Ay.
I'm shopping for diamonds at
Whoa,
Tiffany's.
let's go.
Nah, I don't got no sympathy. She blew my whistle like a referee. Broke black nigga remember me until I found out that recipe. Started getting about 10 a week. Finger on the trigger when I sleep. Yeah, nigga, I'd rather you than me. Backseat smoking good weed.
Hands up.
100 shots.
What?
100 shots.
What we say?
How the fuck you miss a whole 100? You not welcome in my trap if you don't shop. Before you come through that back door, you better knock. They been waiting on this gangster shit to drop.
Yeah, yeah.
Even the fuck niggas that wish I could be stopped. How many dicks you suck to get that couple million? Self-made millionaire, oh what a feeling. My niggas came from dealing. Fuck nigga, get out your feelings. Your bitch gave me sexual healing. Guess who just walked in the building? Came out with 6 bitches. My uncle said that's pimpin'. My diamonds always hitting. You looking for your bitch, she with me, nigga, she ain't missing. I told you fuck niggas, stay out my way, but you didn't listen.
One, tell us go.
Big rock
Big what?
in my watch.
What's up?
And we putting stitches in all of the Glock. 100 shots. 100 shots.
How the fuck you miss a hoe? Hey, long live dog, you know?
Make some noise for Key Glock right now. Broccoli fans, let's go.
Hey, play some old shit, bro.
All right, let's go.
I was just 6, playing with sticks, yeah. I ran it up, now I'm lit, yeah. Now this young nigga getting rich, yeah.
One
I used to
take,
take
let's
shit
go.
like
What
the
we
Grinch.
doing? Let's go.
Hey, shit don't make no sense.
Let's go.
Boy, your pockets full of lint.
Bro,
Yeah.
Nigga ain't talking about shit. The little ass
Yeah, let's go.
I hit your bitch, leave a dent.
Ooh.
Driving the bit like it's rent. Killing shit, give me a sentence. Bad as fuck, then it's the minutes.
Here we go.
I bought my choppers some titties.
Yeah.
I got no top and no feelings.
Yeah.
Young nigga give
Yeah.
you the business.
Yeah.
Since I was 6,
What's
I've been
up,
with
man?
it.
Let's
Bitch,
go.
I been getting it. Young nigga and I got plenty. Hundreds and 50s and 20s. Stacking my digits. Hot like a motherfucking skitty. Don't put your hands on me, Willie.
Here we go.
Swaggin' and spilling. Dripping in Gucci Givenchy. Louis Vuitton Decision. Cartier lenses. I pay the rent for my vision. I see you niggas bullshitting. My diamonds hitting. Bitch falling out like winded. Ooh.
When it, where you
Lord forgive me, but I'm oh so serious. Ooh, I be walking, same time swimming, my neck wet jet like a pool. Spent the whole 100 racks on tennis, not talking about shoes. But I did spend a 20 with my crew and made the news.
Let's go.
And I got that shit right back after I bust a couple moves.
Let's go.
Then I bought a couple Jews, they like Glock, yeah, food.
Let's go.
Bitch, ain't nothing new,
One,
but
yeah,
these
two,
motherfucking
one,
moves.
two, three.
I was just 6, playing with sticks. Yeah. I ran it up, now I'm lit.
Yeah.
Now this young nigga get rich. Yeah. I used to take shit like the Grinch.
I said shit don't make no sense. Let's go.
Boy, your pockets full of lint.
bro.
Nigga ain't talking about shit.
The little ass diamonds that
Yeah.
I hit your bitch, leave a dent.
Driving a bit like a street.
Oh.
Killing shit, give me a sentence. Bad as fuck, then it's the minutes.
Let's go.
I bought my chopper some tits.
Yeah.
I got no top and no fit.
Let's go.
Y'all niggas give you the business. Hey, since I was 6, I've been with it. Let's go.
Paper Route Empire.
Hey,
Make
let
some
it
noise
ride,
for
man.
Key Glock. Let's go.
Let it ride. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah.
Broccoli fans,
Yeah.
what's up, kids? Up
Yeah.
into the building.
Got me
Let's go.
fucked. Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Hey, I'm right back on they ass, yo. They done made me mad.
Whoa.
I've been keeping calm, constantly keep making cash, yo. I've been getting bag after bag after bag.
What?
Presidential shit around my Maybach Mac Blake.
Whoa.
Call me Mr. Glock, shooters in the front and back. Yeah, I'm on my Memphis shit, these bitches coming in the pack.
Yeah.
These niggas pussy cat straight, cow, cat hat. Yeah, baby, I'm a player and my daddy
What's a Mac? Whoa. Let's go.
yeah, and that's a motherfucking fact, y'all. Never leave the house without my motherfucking strap. I was 14 years old with that motherfucking sack.
Hey,
I don't fuck with none of these rappers, they know that.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm right back on they ass.
Yeah.
They done made me mad.
Yeah.
I've been keeping calm, constantly keep making cash.
What?
I've been getting bag
Whoa.
after bag
Whoa.
after bag.
Let's go.
Presidential shit around my
that man black. Call me Mr. Glock.
Shooters in the front and back.
Yeah, I'm on my Memphis shit. These bitches coming in a pack. These niggas pussy cat straight.
Cap, cat and hat.
Yeah, baby, I'm a player and my daddy was a Mac. Yeah, no cap.
Make some noise right now, Clips up in the building.
Paper out.
Hey, play my favorite song right quick, man. I'm trying to see.
There you go.
Let me see something.
One time, Clips up in the building.
Turn it up some more.
Turn on, let's go.
Yeah.
I got big rocks jumping out my brand new Patek watch.
Ice,
Baby, I got a whole lot. Nigga, use a nobody. You ain't got nobody. Some niggas that know about it. These niggas know about me. On the scene.
Diamonds, blendy, hoes, cream, checkerboard, Louis V. I'm so fresh and so clean. Stuff them bands in my jeans, slap them 30s in them things. Pull the trigger, let it sing. Then go smoke a Russian cream. I got money, blue and green. Drop them racks on double G's. Yeah, I'm a Gucci fiend. I feel like Tarzan. All these trees. I get so high I can't breathe. Like LeBron, bitch, I'm a king. But I never leave my heat.
Yeah, what the fuck you mean?
I been here to exhaust.
Hit the gate, why me get lost?
Yeah.
Tell that bitch keep on the drawers.
Yeah.
Cause you know I want them drawers, yeah.
No, you can't text, can't call. No, I got a
Bitch at the house.
Yeah.
Get a hoe straight to my dog.
Yeah.
Dunk a hoe like basketball.
One more sign, let's
You
go.
know I'm about my figures. Young nigga get in them digits. Young niggas going gorilla.
I heard you be talking that pillar. Boy, you know you not no killer. My chopper eat niggas for dinner. My diamonds it make a shiver.
This Cardi's eating my liver. Yeah.
Poem just because.
On my rose, I spent the dub. Yeah.
Shining like a bug.
Buy this shit, don't give a fuck. Yeah, they hustling in my blood. My heart cold, can't show no love. Yeah, my grandma
Raise the thug.
Yeah, I
Bought them racks out. Everything got cash out.
left a lot, I smashed out. Come get your boss and
Cash out.
Get high till I
Pass.
Yeah.
From the back she pass.
Yeah.
Pull a trick, she tap.
Yeah.
Big Glock make her spaz.
Let's go.
Step up on the scene. Diamond blingy, hoes green.
Checkerboard, Louis V.
I'm so fresh and so clean.
Stuff them bands in my jeans.
Slap them 30s in them things.
Pull a trigger, let it sing, then go smoke her. Let's go, man. Hey, man, I'm out, man. Y'all gotta find some energy, dog. I'm out. Let's do it.
Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spray fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third.
Boy, you know this super fast. Me good, I'm throwing it back. He wanna kiss me all over my tag.
Nigga, ain't you here? I ain't scared of dick. Any man go against me, I handle shit. I'm a Teflon Don in the courtroom. They be throwing that dirt, don't shit stick. All these little rap niggas so fraud. Saying they be they hardest bars. These niggas hate on BBL and be walking around with the same scars.
This is not a hard drill. Yeah, this is not a fire drill. The real thing.